Welcome in, guys. My name is Scott, and today we're going to be talking about the Park Hyatt in Chicago. Now, this is the King Deluxe Lakeview Room, and there's a lot of cool things about it, so let's get straight into it. But first, fun fact, guys, this is the first Park Hyatt in the world, and I think it opened up in 2000. But they've refurnished recently, and this thing is beautiful. Let's get straight into it. All right, so first of all, let's check out the bathroom here. This is a beautiful double vanity. It has lavabo, and now this is something that I think a lot of people will really love. There is a special collaboration with lavabo. Now, if you show your room key at the lavabo place, they give you a kind of scent of the city, which makes this place kind of the cherry on top. So definitely go check it out in your area. Now, it does have the waterfall shower here, and then you have the detachment, and you're also using lavabo everywhere. This is the Bergamonte 22. You have the bathroom over here. It's a standard bathroom. So all your stuff is here. You got, it's not Dyson, but it still works, right, guys? So you have that. And now this is where you kind of start seeing touches of luxury that you miss in other places. All right, so we have this beautiful tub that you can sit in. And now this is in the deluxe and above. So if you don't get a deluxe or above, you're not gonna get the tub. Now you can see the view from the tub, which is beautiful. Now you are gonna notice right here that this place gives you bath salts with it. And that is a beautiful little touch right there. I absolutely love that. I'm gonna be using that tonight. Now let's go into the other room and check out all the other stuff. Now first, we're gonna notice in here, you're gonna have a full storage for whatever you need to store here. We got our bags here. And then you can see here, they have their laundry services, stuff like that you need. And you know, if you're on a business trip, that comes in handy real quick. Now here, we're gonna have our mini bar, stuff like that, our treats, sweets, all of the above and beyond. Nice, classy, decorative. You got your wine, your espressos, water, complimentary water there. You got your treats, snacks, and then down here is gonna be your drinks, alcohol, everything that you need in a mini bar. But this is probably my favorite part of the entire place. This is where we're gonna be sleeping. We have a very luxurious, firm, soft, beautiful, gorgeous bed over here, guys. I absolutely love it. Plushy, very good down. You have a nice place where you can sit, relax, and just enjoy, and then also put on your shoes. Now coming over here, this is gonna be kind of your area where you're gonna be doing your food service, stuff like that. It has a lot of nice touches to it, like these leather coasters. Just goes above and beyond the decor. And then coming over on this side, you're gonna see you got a nice area to kind of just relax, read, do whatever you guys want to do. It's just a part of more leisurely, but it goes even further into the details with this nice little sitting area with the outlet here so you can do all your work and kind of look out at the river. Now this is the Lake Michigan River. It's just currently frozen. We are in a polar storm right now, and it's -3 degrees. But this is the heart of Chicago. You have shopping malls, you have restaurants, everything that you can imagine in this area is right here. You are in central downtown Chicago. You're gonna love this place. And guys, and we've stayed at a bunch of hotels in Chicago so far, like the St. Regis, Ritz-Carlton, and others, and the Peninsula. And this has been our favorite so far. It's beautiful. It has touches of luxury, modern, but very classy. So if you're looking for something that meets all that, that's not super old, but also not like super modern looking, this doesn't go over the top, but it's just gorgeous. They've well thought it, and they've just added so many touches of luxury that you really get everything that you want out of this. So if you're looking for your 5-star experience in Chicago, definitely book with the Park Hyatt. And like again, this is the King Deluxe Lakeview Room, and it's my favorite so far.
Since you guys are staying at Park Hyatt, you guys will get a complimentary 5-piece discovery set.
Ooh.
And this has the top 5 perfumes listed. They're all unisex.
Ooh. Let me open this up. Yeah. If I got nails long enough, there we go. This is I think this was the most exciting perk about the hotel. She's like, oh, we get to go to the lavabo.
Yes.
So it comes in this.
So you'll have another 13, Santal, Rose 31, Thé Noir, and Thé Matcha.